Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Puspita Mekarsari. I study at Magister Management at UNJ, Universitas Jakarta. Today I would like to present my thesis by PowerPoint in English, with entitled The Influence of Creativity and Training on Employee Performance Through Proactive Work Behavior. My research in Kemnaker, or we call it Ministry of Manpower of Republik Indonesia. In slide 1, I want to show you a study on employees of Kemnaker. From the data, we found is 78.5% community satisfaction index, and then 7.2% service completion rate, and then 65% attendance of compulsory RSM training, and the less is 22%. And next slide, I want to show you about pre-research pilot project results, which means I used 10 employee at Kenmaker, and we found it 100% variable performance relationship. It means all respondents acknowledge the relationship between creativity, training, and PWB with performance. And then 90% training and competency, and 80% creativity speed of work, and 70% the effect of the effect of PWB mediation. It means creativity and training drive the emergence of PWB that reinforce the impact on performance. In the slide 4, in the research gap, inconsistency of literature findings, it was found that the inconsistency of the research result related to the relationship variable between creativity, training, PWB, and performance, based on several support such as Arifin et al. 2023, Samuel et al. 2024, Zhou et al. 2024, Extra and Carnbur, Stiadi and Widodo, Zhou and George, until Grant and Asford 2008. In the next slide, in problem identification and formulation, I found 4 problem identification, and then 7 questions for problem formulation. 1. Does creativity have a direct effect on PWB? 2. Does training have a direct effect on PWB? 3. Does creativity have a direct effect on performance? 4. Does training have a direct effect on performance? 5. Does PWB have a direct effect on performance? 6. Does creativity affect performance through PWB? And the last is, does training affect performance through PWB? In research objective benefit, these 3 categories I would describe in research objectivities. Finding on empirical model of the influence of creativity and training on employee performance through PWB. For benefits for employees, it encourages skill development, proactive attitude, and career acceleration. High-performing employees have a greater chance of professional promotion and recognition. And for benefits for the government, the foundation is to design targeted training, improve the efficiency of public services, develop excellent talent management policies, and encourage adaptive and innovative bureaucracy reform. For the next slide, in slide 7, is about Grant theory, job demands, resources. In the Grant theory, the study is based on several key concepts: training, and then creativity, and then proactive work behaviors, or we call it PWB. In training, structure resources that increase the capacity, skills, and readiness of the employee to meet the demands on work. Creativity, it means personal resources that allow individuals to independently generate new ideas and innovative solutions. And NPWB, proactive work behaviors that arise from combination of work and personal resources drive improved performance. In slide 8 until 11, after the Grand Dual job demands resources, is about definition and indicator, employee performance, proactive work behavior, or we call it PWB, and then creativity, and the last one is training. For this variable, it shows about the definitive about creativity, which means has a positive effect on proactive work behavior. And then about training, it means also significantly improves proactive work behavior. And then about proactive work behavior itself is about has a strong impact on employee performance, and the rest is also act as a mediator between creativity, training, and performance. About the slide 12, theoretical framework and hypothesis. Because proactive work behavior I use it for medicine model in title for my thesis. So I found it variable Y in employee performance, variable X one creativity. Training is for variable X2, and proactive work behavior itself is for variable Z. My thesis located, my research for my thesis located in Kemnaker, Jakarta. Design and research time from December 2025 till May 2026. From December 2025 until January 2026, the text is submission of titles, preparation and improvement on proposal, then proposal seminar. And then for February, Maret, the text is instrument preparation, instrument trials, and field data collection. And in April to May 2026, data tabulation and analysis, preparation of thesis, manuscript, hearings, and thesis revision. For population and research sample, because delegation in my work at Kemnaker, Jakarta, from 5 directorate. From directorate in Kemnaker, I use for 3 directorate general secretary, 2 directorate general of vocational training and productivity development, 3 directorate general of workforce placement development and expansion and employment opportunity, or we call it Indonesia. Directorate 1 is Sekretariat Jenderal, 2 Direktorat Pembinaan Pelatihan Vokasi, or we call it Bina Potas, and 3 is Direktorat Pembinaan Penempatan Tenaga Kerja dan Perluasan Kesempatan Kerja, or we call it Bina Pempa. Total population from 3 directorate is 800, and from number of samples is 78 in directorate number 1, 89 from directorate number 2, and 93 directorate number 3. In the next slide, for data analysis techniques, I use SAMPLS, which is data and analysis use structural equation modeling based on partial least square, or SAMPLS, to test the direct, indirect, and total influences between 3 variables. 1 outer model, and 2 inner model, and 3 hypothesis test. For the conclusion and research contribution from my thesis, theoretical contribution explain the mediation mechanism of PWB in the study of the behavior of Indonesian public sector organization, filling the existing research gap. For practical contribution, the foundation for the Ministry of Manpower to design targeted training programs and ISN development policies based on creativity and proactivity. And then from novelty, say the use of proactive work behavior as mediation variable, empirical approach in organizational context. Okay, this is my presentation in English to fulfill SEMPRO from my thesis. Thank you for attention and time. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.